Yo, Chris Christian from WakeUpNowOrLater.com, GetLeadsWithChris.com, and I'm just here to tell you that home businesses do pay well. This internet marketing, this network marketing stuff is for real. It pays real money. I've got some very lucrative business opportunities that I can turn you on to. I'm going to put my email in the description of this video, and get in touch with me, connect with me, send me an email, go to my website, and check out what I got to offer. I mean, if you're looking to make a part-time income from home, you're looking to generate an extra $600 to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, then I got the programs for you. I got exactly what you need. I mean, today was a good day for me. You know, I'm really doing what I gotta do, you know, to get paid. You know what I'm saying? And this is for real. You know, this ain't a game. This is like 3 months of your rent, 4 months of your rent right here. You know, 5 months, 6 months of your rent right here. You know what I'm saying? Covered. You know what I'm saying? From internet marketing, home-based business. You know what I'm saying? So don't sleep. It is real. It's official. You know what I'm saying? It's a major payday today. It's been a good day. You know, I'm happy about it. I'm excited. Big things to come.